Intro. Hey there, developers. Today, I'm diving into something super exciting for you all. Mendix. Ever wondered how you can speed up your application development without compromising on quality? Well, Mendix might just be your golden ticket. What is Mendix? So, what exactly is Mendix? Mendix is a low-code development platform that allows you to build applications rapidly. It's designed to help both professional developers and business-oriented folks create powerful apps with minimal hand coding. Mendix uses and benefits. Okay, let's talk about its uses and benefits. With Mendix, you can develop applications up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. Imagine creating a complex app in weeks instead of months. Plus, it's highly versatile. Whether you need a customer portal, a mobile app, or an internal business tool, Mendix has got you covered. Mendix advantages. Now, onto the advantages. First up, collaboration. Mendix allows for seamless collaboration between business and IT teams. This means less misunderstandings and more efficient workflows. Secondly, it's incredibly scalable. Whether you're a startup or a Fortune 500 company, Mendix can scale according to your needs. And let's not forget about its integration capabilities. You can integrate Mendix with almost any other system out there, be it SAP, Salesforce, or even custom databases. Now, let's dive into the feature opportunities and development. Mendix offers a drag-and-drop interface, which is user-friendly and reduces the learning curve significantly. Then, there's the Mendix App Store, a treasure trove of pre-built modules and connectors. This can save you a ton of time during development. Oh, and did I mention AI and machine learning? Mendix incorporates these advanced technologies to help you build smarter applications. Mendix tie-up companies. Now you might be wondering, who's using Mendix? Well, some big names include Siemens, Philips, and ConocoPhillips. These companies have leveraged Mendix to streamline their operations and innovate faster. Even in India, companies like Tata Consultancy Services and Infosys are using Mendix to empower their digital transformation initiatives. Indian packages. For those of you in India, Mendix offers some competitive packages. Over the past 2 to 3 years, Mendix has tailored its offerings to cater to businesses of all sizes. Whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise, there's a Mendix package that fits your needs and budget. Conclusion. So there you have it. Mendix in a nutshell. It's a versatile, powerful, and efficient tool that can transform the way you develop applications. If you're looking to speed up your development process and bring more innovation to your projects, Mendix is definitely worth a look. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. This is your name from Go Live Classes, signing off.